Looking for a better way to watch TVs and movies? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the SeekBox S3 Pro. This is a 4K box that has thousands of apps and Google Play. Did I mention that it has 4K? But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be looking at the SeekBox S3 Pro. This is like an Android TV box right here. Super powerful though. Has thousands of apps and more. Well, let's open it up. Inside the box is the instruction manual right here, which is going to give you information on what's all included and get it all set up and getting the most out of your S3 Pro. Looks like they include an HDMI cable, so that's super awesome. Power cable is included, and it looks like it's USB-C, so wow, super modern. We've got this really nice remote that's included. This thing just feels really good. The fact that it's included is a huge plus. Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus. Looks like we even got a microphone button right here so we can speak into it. Very nice. And finally, the reason you're here, the S3 Pro. Whoa, this thing looks really nice. It's got a TF card, USB 2.0, USB 3.0. I love that they're labeled. On the back, we've got the Type-C plug for charging it and powering it. We've got that SPD, so this should be an audio jack. We've got another audio jack. We've got the Ethernet port. We've got HDMI. Keep in mind though, this does have Wi-Fi on it, so super cool, but whoa. So let's go ahead and get everything set up and try it out. This is the SeekBox S3 Pro. Are you tired of paying for multiple streaming subscriptions every single month? What if one device could simply give you all the home entertainment you need with fast performance, thousands of entertainment options, and no hardware fees? So this is going to be the SeekBox S3 Pro. It's designed for people who want a smoother streaming experience without constantly upgrading their hardware. It combines powerful processing, a user-friendly interface, and a quick navigation to make finding your favorite content simple. So when it comes to the performance, it's built with upgraded hardware to deliver fast app launches, smooth menu navigation, and responsive streaming. Whether you're watching movies, TV shows, sports, or switching between apps, the goal is a lag-free experience. Another huge advantage is the 4K Ultra HD support, so it gives you crisp picture quality on compatible television, so you can enjoy sharp visuals and vibrant colors. Super simple. You're just going to connect the SeekBox to your TV with HDMI and connect it to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then you're good to go. So a lot of people like this because the device itself doesn't require a monthly hardware fee or subscription. When you think of some of these other boxes, you're paying that monthly subscription. But keep in mind though, a lot of individual streaming services or apps may still require their own subscriptions, such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, and that sort. But the SeekBox does come with thousands of its own apps, so make sure to check them out. So you're getting ultra fast performance, 4K streaming support, easy plug and play setup, simple user-friendly interface, and no monthly hardware fee. So it's got everything, including the H.265 hardware decoding, which is going to save up to 50% bandwidth, eliminate buffering and lag, and it lets you enhance old videos automatically with intelligent picture restoration. This little thing is a beast. Gotta say, SeekBox, wow, great job. This is our first time working with SeekBox, and I gotta say, this little thing is powerful. The fact that it has thousands of apps and then also access to Google Play Store is just, it's super nice. I really love the fact that it also increases the quality of a lot of content. So I gotta give a huge shout out to SeekBox for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!